Hello, Stephanie Rossello here with Coldwell Banker Professionals and today's helpful hint for your home. Fall is actually a really great time to be working on some home maintenance items and to be getting your home ready for cooler weather. So here are a few things you can do to help prepare your home for winter. First, check your home's heating and air conditioning system. Most heating and air systems typically last around 12 to 15 years. Some fail as early as 10 years, while others are still going strong for 20 or more. It really does depend on how well they've been maintained. So before the weather turns cold, at a very minimum, take this time to change your air filter. You should be doing it regularly anyway, and if you're not, now is a great time to start. I also recommend having your system inspected by a reputable HVAC company. Have them come out and check it to make sure that you're going to have heat when you really do need it. It's actually better to find these types of problems in the fall when the temperature is still a little moderate rather than on a frigid winter day. You could also look into the possibility of having an annual maintenance agreement. Now, another thing you can do is to paint, caulk, and seal that exterior wood that you have on your home. As you may know, our decks are usually made from pressure-treated lumber that is of a rot-resistant variety. However, the exterior wood trim on our home is usually made from pine that's about 1 inch thick, and it really deteriorates quickly if it's not protected. So take this time, it will save you so much money and time in the end, just to go in, seal, caulk, and paint those areas that are exposed and that look like they may be getting a little worn. I see a lot of rotted wood around bay windows and exterior doors, and a little maintenance now can prevent all of that later. So your patio needs some attention too. So if you have a concrete patio, driveway, walkway, make sure they're protected as well. Occasionally you'll need to go in and seal that cement. As you go in to seal it, go fill all those cracks that might be there first. You'll want to make sure those are filled so water doesn't get down in and under and freeze over winter and create even more damage. So you're going to want to get those cracks filled and your cement sealed. Now, while we're talking about sealing things, if you have an asphalt driveway, this is a wonderful time to get that sealed as well. It is not very expensive to have a professional company come out and seal your driveway for you. You can certainly do it yourself. You just make sure you go in and patch the little areas that may need it and go in and get a bucket of sealer, and you can roll that over your driveway as well. This is also a great time to be checking the drainage around your home. So walk the perimeter of your home, check the foundation. If you see any low spots, go ahead and fill those in with soil. You want the water running away from your home and not to your home or ponding or setting by your foundation. That can cause a lot of problems. You can get water in your basement. It can cause a lot of damage. So you're going to really want to check for drainage issues. Check to make sure your downspouts are working, that they're there, and that they're taking water and directing it away from your home. Oftentimes when I'm out with home inspectors, they say that water needs to be directed 6 feet or more away from your home to protect the foundation of your home. So this is a good time to check that. Now, while we're checking downspouts, let's talk about gutters. Once the leaves have stopped falling, this is a great time to go up and clean out those gutters, clean out any leaves and debris that might be there. You don't want water coming and filling those gutters, running over the top and down the side of your home, down around the foundation, getting under walkways, porches, freezing, thawing. It causes extensive damage that is really, really expensive. So one way to help prevent that is to go in and clean out those gutters. So this is a great time to be doing that as well. All right. So another thing that you should be doing now is to clean out your chimney. Bring in a chimney sweep. You can clean where you put your wood, you can clean out the bottom, but you really do need to have a professional come in and check to make sure that when we have those nice, warm, cozy fires that we really enjoy in the winter, that they are not going to cause us a problem, that we are going to be safe. So this is a great time to call a chimney sweep. get that. They can tell us if there's any maintenance or service that needs to be done so that we can really spend those cold winter nights snuggled up by the fire with our loved ones. Now, speaking of fires, this is a really great time, an important time to check and test our smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. So go through your home and make sure that the smoke and carbon monoxide testers are working and that they have good batteries. If you don't have carbon monoxide detectors in your home, now is a great time to have those put in. When your HVAC contractor was out to check your furnace, he also checked your furnace and your water heater to make sure that those were venting properly. Your water heater and your furnace are actually the two biggest causes of carbon monoxide in your home. And so we want to make sure that you are safe and those that you care about are safe. As you know, in the winter, our windows are closed, our doors are closed, we're running the furnace, we're burning fires, and we want to make sure that everyone stays safe. So make sure to get those and keep those in a good functioning manner. Now, the last thing I want to talk about today is just getting your sprinklers taken care of. Most sprinkling systems need to be blown out, and it is well worth the cost of a professional to come out and blow out those sprinkling system lines. It's way cheaper to have them come out and do that than having to replace all those broken lines in the spring to dig them up and have them fixed. Well worth it. Also, make sure that you drain those outside faucets so you don't get any broken water lines there over the winter. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any real estate questions, I am here for you. You let me know. My number is 810-498-9896. I am Stephanie Rossello, and I am here to help. You have a great day.